Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert octal number to binary. You already know, a number is represented in binary using two digits only, 0 and 1. While octal can be represented using digits 0 to 7. So here, you can see the question, I will convert the octal number to binary. So here, we know we can represent octal using digits 0 to 7, and, in binary conversion table, we use up to 3 bits for representation. Kindly write down the number 267.326. So, here, write down the value of each octal digits in binary number of 3 bits. Here, we can write 6 as 110, 2 as 010, 3 as 011, 7 as 111, 6 as 110, 2 as 010. So, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, point, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 will be our final answer in binary. I hope that you have understood this concept. Please share this video and subscribe. If you want to know how to convert the octal to decimal, then please watch the next video.